Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing a 99-cent only store haul, and it's pretty much groceries, so food items. I do have a few that aren't food, but I still want to go ahead and share with you guys the good deals that I did find. My voice is a little raspy, but my baby and I have been sick for almost 2 weeks. We are just getting better. It is so hard being sick while your baby is sick, because no matter how bad you feel, you still have to get up and continue your day. But yeah, I still have to do my groceries, and I did do some of them at the 99-cent store, which is why I want to share with you guys what I got. 99 always brings in new stuff. They always bring in different brands, new brands, name brand items. So I just wanted to share with you guys that, and I hope you guys like this video. If you guys do, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up, comment, and if you're not subscribed already, please subscribe, and don't forget to turn on your notification bell so you guys do get notified when I upload new videos. I'm gonna start off by showing you guys 4 items that I picked up 2 days ago when I went. I didn't get the chance to really show you guys what they were, so I thought I'd show you guys today. It's the Pillsbury Best Pizza Dough Classic Crust. It comes with the parchment paper also. And this one expires March 18, 2019. They also had the pepperoni. So I picked up 2 of these. And they also had salami and a different type of pepperoni. But I just got these smaller ones so I could spread them out a little better. Next, I picked up another one of these puffs for my baby. He finished his finally, and so I got him one more. I got the Hostess hot dog buns. It's 8 for $1. They usually have the ballpark ones, but today they did have them as well, but they were past due and they were actually really hard, so I wasn't gonna buy them. I also bought the Hoffy Premium Bacon for $2.99 alongside the Bar S Classic Franks. I'm thinking about making hot dogs, as you guys can tell. I also picked up the Hormel chili, no beans. They also had the bigger can with beans, but I like the no beans, so I picked up this little one. Oh, I also bought these 2 little baskets. They are $1.99, but they are huge. These are huge. I also have bought the 2 smaller ones from Dollar Tree, which match this one. It's these from Dollar Tree, but these are a little flimsy. My son already broke it. He's only 1, but he already broke it pulling it out to get his toys. So I bought these that are sturdier. These are really sturdy, guys. I also picked up this mushroom pasta sauce. I'm gonna use it for my pizza instead of pasta, of course. But yeah, I really love the mushroom. I know I've mentioned that before. I really love the mushroom one, so I'm gonna use this for my pizzas. I also picked up the Cacique Ranchero Queso Fresco for $1.99. These are a little over $2 at a regular store. They're the smaller ones. I know they have like the double-sized one for like $3 to $4. So yeah, I just need a little bit. It's just my husband and I that eat this, so this is perfect. I ran out of tomatoes, so I did buy this pack for $1. Usually I just go to a regular grocery store and buy a pound for 99 cents. Sometimes they have 2 pounds for 99 cents, but because I really needed them, I just picked up this little pack of 6. 2 bell peppers, 2 for $1. So these were 50 cents each. I'm planning on making a salsa I saw in Cocinemos Juntos cooking channel. I'll link his YouTube channel in the bottom. Next, I got some Altadena sour cream. I love sour cream, guys. It is my weakness. I can eat this with anything. Tacos, soups, chips, salsa and chips. Oh my god, I love it. So I picked up this small sour cream for $1 and a bag of hot Cheetos so I can eat some while I cook. ¿Qué, papi? Then, because my friend Shay from Texas Made told me that this is actually really good, I decided to pick up one of these. I will also be linking her channel in the bottom. But yes, I decided to go for the Smokey Pulled Bbq. They also have the classic barbecue, and they had another one which I can't remember what it was. Another one of my favorites is chipotle peppers. I put this on my tuna. I make tostadas de tinga with chipotle peppers. I can make an egg breakfast sandwich with chiles chipotles. I love this stuff. So I found the Hostess brand at the 99 and I got 2 of them. They were 99 cents, but I don't mind because usually at the stores they are over that price. So I got 2 of them. Also found this nice big size of cilantro bunches for $1. This is probably, well, this is like 3, yeah, it's 3 bunches for $1. I think this is around how much they cost in the regular grocery store, so not too bad, right? For $1. I hardly ever see cilantro at the 99, and I really needed it today, so I'm super glad I didn't have to drive out to another store. Picked up some lemons. This big old bag for $1. It's about, let's see, 2, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. I would say 9 to 10 lemons in here for $1, guys. 2 pounds for $1. Really good. Mine today was these avocados. Usually they're either already too ripe or too hard, but these are perfect, and I'm really glad because I want to put some in the salsa that I'm gonna make today. So yeah, this bag was $1.89. Still pretty good for 5 avocados. Picked up this bag of potatoes, Idaho potatoes. It's a pretty small bag, but it's perfect for my husband and I. I'm gonna be making tacos dorados de papa. I guess you could call them hard shell potato tacos. 89-cent store always has these bags of potato for $1. Last but not least, I found this everyday herbs and spices set. It was $5, but I was gonna buy a few of these either way. So for them to come in a pack already like this, I thought it was really cute. So let me show you guys what's in here. It actually tells me here. It has the parsley, basil, garlic salt, bay leaves, chili powder, rosemary, curry powder, and chili flakes. I had already planned on buying some more garlic salt. Oh, let me see how these come off. Let me see. Oh, they just come off like that. So I was planning on buying some more garlic salt. I was also planning on buying some more bay leaves. So this one comes with quite a few of them. And I also needed, what was the other thing I needed? Chili flakes for my pizza. So yeah, I was about to spend $1, $2, $3. And for $5, I ended up getting 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 spices and herbs, which is really good. They come in really nice containers, so I could keep stocking these up. It's glass. Yep, it's glass. And it comes in this, it comes with this little nice tray. Look at how it's not that great of a quality. It's pretty flimsy, but for the price, it's really good. Ever since I started watching Grandpa Kitchen, I have been trying to cook with more chili powder and chili flakes. So I'm super excited about this. And oh, he also cooks with a lot of curry powder. So yeah, you guys can tell I've been watching a lot of cooking channels, right? I almost forgot one thing. It's this pet bed for $9.99. It's really good material. They only had it in charcoal gray and in black, but look at how nice it is for only $10. When I picked this up, there was only 3 of them, and it looked like that's all they had. And as soon as I grabbed it, I saw a lady who peeked in my cart and went and got one too. So pretty good, right? Nice material, fluffy. Is that too small for you? No, I think you're good, huh? Ah, you lazy. You a lazy boy. Go, Rocky, go. You never know what you're gonna find at the 99. So that is it for today, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you guys did, like I said, give it a thumbs up. Let me know what was your favorite part. If you guys have tried any of these items, if you guys don't like any of these items, let me know what you guys think. And I'll see you guys soon.